Let's continue with our video tutorials about how to use the inventory documents in our Posio Cloud. If you haven't yet, watch the first number of videos to show how to set up your items and how to do orders, adjustments, and receiving. Let's look at the next document, which is the physical count document. So I'm going to hit my plus, choose physical count document, give it a name. Give it some sort of identifying number. And maybe do a memo here. Let's say inventory 920. Okay. Now, you would want to use this document when you're actually physically counting the items to set whatever your amount is on your shelf or in your store, in your storeroom, etc. You have two options with this document: auto post or not to auto post. So if you click auto post, then when you save that document and get out of it, just like it says, it's going to automatically post it to inventory. If you have it off, like you see the toggle here, then it's going to live in your unposted until you actually post it. That's up to you. Let's keep it on auto post this time. That way we can see how that functions a little differently than the others. Now it's important to note, if you're doing a physical count document on the Handy, whether it's on iOS or Android, it's going to auto post no matter what. The point of the Handy app is so you could walk around your store and just update your inventory immediately. So I'm going to hit create. And just like the other documents, I'm immediately taken into the document, and I've got my plus right here. I'm going to search for my product. I could do it by reorder number, or scan the actual item, or search with the little icon in the search field. Now it'll show me how many are on hand. And let's say in this case, I counted 100 actually on the shelf and 39 have gone missing for whatever reason. Now I can either type 100 right here, and it'll show in the adjust quantity here that it's negative 39 off of what's on hand. Or I could do it the other way and say, I know I'm missing 39, so I'll type negative 39 here, and it'll show 100 in new quantity. When I'm happy with that, I'll hit add to physical count, and now it's ready for me to scan the next item. Once you see everything here and review it, make sure it's all good, you come back to your inventory documents. Because it auto posted, I wasn't able to then edit it. And you can see it doesn't live in the unposted, but if I go to posted, there it is, and I can review what I had in my physical count document. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.